Did you hear that SafeMoon is community governed now? Plebes like us can vote on various proposals for the community and help shape the future of SafeMoon. Let's see how that can be done. In this video, I will use the VGX Wallet application, first to give myself voting power, and then second, to vote on a proposal for SafeMoon, all right? Here we go. First, I need to locate the SafeMoon X post that contains the link to SafeMoon's voting platform. And here it is. We can see that it's the post from April 12th at 1:10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. This is the link to the voting platform here, so I'll click it now. And here we are. This is the app.realms.today voting platform for SafeMoon. I could stay in this x.com browser and do everything here, but I find it easier inside the VGX Wallet app, so I'll copy the link for this page, and then I'll head over to the VGX Wallet app. Okay, I'll open the VGX Wallet app. The VGX Wallet is blocking my screen recorder here as I log in, so that's why the screen is black here. Okay, great. We're in. Before we proceed, do take note that I have $1.33 of Solana coins and $56.06 of SafeMoon tokens. As we'll see, both of those values will be reduced later. Okay, let me click down here on Browser. I'll read this notice and check the boxes. And now I'll click on Understand and Agree. Okay, here is the integrated browser in my VGX Wallet app. I'll click up here to paste in that address I copied from the SafeMoon X post. And here we are again. This is the SafeMoon app.realms.today voting platform. First, I'll need to connect my wallet, so let me do that. I'll click this down arrow here, and now I'll click on Wallet Connect, and now I'll click on Connect. I'll click Connect, and Connect, and Proceed. And there we go. We can see here that my wallet is now connected, and I have approximately 1.6 million SafeMoon tokens registering with the platform. So great. Now to vote, first I must deposit some of my tokens. Doing so will give me governance power and voting power. So I'll go ahead and click here on Deposit. I'll change the deposit amount filed to 500,000 since that's the amount of tokens I want deposited. And now I'll go ahead and click on Confirm. I'll click on Confirm down here. The VGX wallet is blacking out the screen as I provide my login credentials to authorize the transaction. And success. As we see here, I now have 500,000 SafeMoon tokens deposited, giving me 500,000 tokens of governance power. Great. Well, I guess I should use my new power to vote. So let's head down to the bottom of this page. Here we can see there is an open proposal to vote on. Create metadata for DAO. I'll go ahead and vote yes on it, so I'll click here. And now I'll click here on Vote Yes. I could leave a comment here, but I'll simply click here to vote yes. I'll click here to confirm. The screen is black as I put in my credentials. And great, the vote went through. There are some other things to check out on here. If we scroll to the bottom, for example, we can see the proposal discussion. Okay, that's about it, but very important. Before we say goodbye, do you remember I had $1.33 of Solana coins and $56.06 of SafeMoon tokens? Let's go see how much I have now. As we see, the value of my Sol coins and SafeMoon tokens went down. That is because some of my Sol coins were used to cover transaction fees related to depositing and voting, and because the 500,000 SafeMoon tokens I deposited were taken out of my wallet here. Okay, that's it, guys. I hope this was helpful. Have a great one.